Let's draw a super cute snail. Draw the snail's smiling face. Add some curvy design to its body. Our snail loves fashion. Add some stripes to its body. Our snail loves fashion. Now add the outer circle to complete the spiral. That's the shell base. Draw the ground line and a wavy tail. Snail is ready to slide. Time for the eyes. 2 stalks with big round circles on top, Popeye style. All done. Look at that happy snail. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Make the drawing more visible. Green color. Yellow color. Red color.